Today, I'm sharing the simple swaps I've made to reduce toxins in my home. My family and I moved into our home almost a year ago, and it's been such a gradual process of learning and making changes. I didn't do everything at once, that would have been overwhelming and expensive. Instead, I've been slowly replacing products as they run out or as I discover better alternatives. These aren't expensive overhauls or complicated changes, just practical switches that have made a real difference for my family's health. From skincare to cleaning to the kitchen, I'll show you exactly what I use and why these swaps matter. Let's start with skincare. I've completely replaced my commercial moisturizers with pure shea butter. This incredible natural ingredient works on everything, face, body, and hair. It's rich in vitamins A and E, and unlike many conventional moisturizers, it doesn't contain synthetic fragrances, parabens, or other questionable ingredients. I whip my own shea butter to make it light and spreadable, and even add some essential oils to give it a nice fragrance. Then I store it in used glass jars. It lasts for ages. Let me know if you'd like a video showing the full process of making whipped body butter. For my hair, I've also discovered batana hair oil, which comes from the American palm tree. It's been used for centuries and provides incredible nourishment without any synthetic additives. Both of these ingredients have just one component, no long ingredient lists to decipher. Personal care was a big switch for me. I now use natural deodorant made with ingredients like coconut oil, shea butter, baking soda, and essential oils instead of aluminium based antiperspirants. This particular brand has been working brilliantly so far. It keeps me fresh and dry all day. I've also switched to fragrance-free shower gel, just by the way. Most commercial body washes contain synthetic fragrances that can actually disrupt your hormones and cause skin irritation. So going fragrance-free has made such a huge difference for my skin, and I don't miss the artificial scents at all. Next up, cleaning products. I switched to Purdy Figg surface cleaners, and honestly, they work just as well as conventional cleaners without the harsh chemicals. These are made with clean, non-toxic ingredients and essential oils, so my home smells amazing without synthetic fragrances that can actually trigger headaches or respiratory issues. The difference is incredible. I can clean my kitchen counters, rooms, and bathroom surfaces without worrying about chemical residue. Purdy Figg offer a subscription service, and the fragrances change with each season, so you never get bored. You simply empty the concentrated solution into the 300 ml glass spray bottle they give you, and then you top it up with water, give it a shake, and you're good to go. You also get a couple of these cleaning cloths included with your very first order. In the kitchen, I've replaced all my plastic containers with glass ones. Plastic containers can leach chemicals into food, especially when heated or storing acidic foods. Glass is completely inert. It won't react with your food or release any harmful substances. I use these for everything, storing leftovers in the fridge and even meal prep. I also use glass jars for my grains and pulses. They're easier to clean, don't retain odors or stains, and they last for ages. It's one of those switches that feels so obvious once you make it. I've also switched to a wooden bamboo chopping board and cooking utensils. Wood is naturally antimicrobial and doesn't contain the chemicals found in plastic alternatives. Plus, wooden utensils are gentler on your cookware and won't scratch up your pans. The key is choosing hardwoods like bamboo or maple and maintaining them properly with occasional oiling. They're beautiful, functional, and completely natural. Hydration is crucial, but what we drink from matters too. I use a stainless steel water bottle instead of a plastic one. It doesn't contain BPA or other plastic chemicals. It keeps drinks at the perfect temperature, and it's incredibly durable. But here's the thing, it's not just about the container. Water quality is equally important. I filter my water to remove chlorine, fluoride, and other contaminants that can be found in tap water. Clean water in a clean container is such a simple but powerful combination. Finally, let's talk about food. I choose organic whenever possible, both at the supermarket and through a seasonal organic vegetable box delivery. I've been enjoying the boxes by Abel and Co recently. We're a family of three, so we get the weekly small vegetable box, and it always contains more than enough for the week. The vegetable box has been amazing because it's seasonal, local, and often introduces me to vegetables I wouldn't normally buy. I've also been dabbling with some organic farming this summer, growing produce such as kale, Swiss chard, beetroot, tomatoes, and fresh herbs. Organic foods are grown without synthetic pesticides, herbicides, and fertilizers. which means fewer chemicals ending up in our bodies. It's not about perfection. I can't always buy everything organic, but making conscious choices where possible really adds up. For non-organic fruits and vegetables, there are also useful washing techniques that you can try, such as vinegar or baking soda solutions to help reduce pesticide residues. These swaps might seem small, but collectively they've made a huge difference in reducing my family's exposure to harmful chemicals. The best part is that most of these changes actually save money in the long run and work just as well, if not better, than their conventional counterparts. Remember, you don't have to make all these changes at once. Start with one or two that resonate with you and gradually build from there. Your health and your family's health are worth these simple switches. Let me know in the comments which swap you're most excited to try, and if you have any other non-toxic alternatives you love, I'd love to hear about them. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe because I post a new video every week, and I will catch you next time. Bye.